Everybody should own gold.
Yeah, I agree.
Bar none. Okay, it should be in your portfolio, but it shouldn't be everything in your portfolio, especially the miners, right?
Right,
You don't.
right.
You have your allocation, but don't have that all in your portfolio. I actually think that gold has probably made its high for the year. Now, I don't necessarily think it's going to crash and go to zero. I just think that maybe it had its run last year. It made another run at 1900, 1950 a couple weeks ago, and it's backed off a little bit. And I think that in the second half of the year, maybe things will be a little bit tougher out there, and maybe we have a pullback into the end of the year. Same with silver.
Okay.
And the miners, same with miners. Like I expect the second half of the year in gold, silver, and the precious metals to be weaker than the first half. Now, that doesn't mean you need to go out and sell all your gold either, right?
Right.
If you have a diversified portfolio, you don't have to go out and sell it all. But if you have everything in gold and silver, then maybe you sell some. But again, the whole point of having a diversified portfolio is so that you don't have it all bet on one thing. So when you look at your portfolio, if you have a diversified portfolio, the first question you should ask is, where am I making money? Now, if you're not making money somewhere, then that's a problem, right? That's a real problem. You should hopefully in a diversified portfolio, you're making money somewhere. But the second question you should ask, and I know people have a real hard time with this, but the second question you should ask is, where am I losing money? And if you're not losing money anywhere, it's not a horrible problem to have. It's actually a pretty high quality problem, but it is sort of a problem, because if you're not losing money anywhere, then you're actually not diversified. It means everything that you have is very highly correlated. So somewhere in your portfolio, you should probably either be down a little bit, or at least not making as much as everywhere else. And so maybe that's the part that gold plays over the next 6 to 9 months. I don't know for sure. I'm convinced that gold's going a lot higher in the years ahead. I consider it catastrophe insurance, and insurance against central bank hubris, for lack of a better word.